Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And this is my second video on the Node.js tutorial. And in this part, we will learn how to install Node.js in our computer. For run Node.js on computer, so we want to install Node.js and NPM. Here I have Windows computer. So I will show you how to install Node.js on Windows computer. And on the Windows computer, NPM will be automatically installed. So, we do not want to install NPM individually on the Windows computer. So for install Node.js on the Windows computer. So first, we have to go on any browser. And here, we have to type nodejs.org site. So this is an official website of Node.js. And here, we can see the two version of Node.js for download. Here first version 16.14.2, which is stable version. And second one is 17.8.0, which current developing version. Here we can download any version for learn Node.js. So here, we have to download current version. So we have to simply click on this download link. And after click on the download link. Here we can see that Nodejs.msi file has been downloaded in our computer. So here, we can see that Node.js file has been completely downloaded in our computer. Now for install Node.js in Windows computer. Here we have to click on the downloaded Nodejs.msi file. So here, we can see that it has preparing for install. After this, here we can see that Node.js setup wizard screen. And it has asked for click on the next button. So we have to click on the next button. And after click on the next button, here we can see that it has asked for accept terms of license agreement. So we have to check this checkbox, and after this, here we can see that next button has been enabled. And now we have to click on the next button, and after this, it has asked for path directory, where we want to install Node.js. So here we have not changed default install path, and click on the next button. After this, it has asked for custom setup, so here also, we have to click on the next button, and after this, it has asked for confirmation for tools for native modules. So this is an optional part, so again, we have to click on the next button. And here install is ready, so now we have click on the install button. And after click on the install button, here we can see that Node.js installation process is started. And it will take some time for install Node in Windows computer. Now here, we can see that Node.js successfully installed in our computer. So lastly, we have to click on the finish button. So here Node.js has been successfully installed in the Windows computer. Now we want to check current version of Node.js. So we have go to command prompt. And here we have to run node version command, and press enter. So here, it has display Node.js version 17.8.0. So here, it has display current Node.js version, which is installed in the computer. Now we want to see current version of NPM. So for this, here we have to run NPM version command. So here, it has display NPM version 8.5.5. which is automatically installed when we have installed Node.js in the Windows computer. So friends, in this part, we have learned how to install Node.js in Windows computer. And then after, I have also show you how to check current install version of Node.js and NPM by running command in command prompt. In next part, we will write first program in Node.js. So we will be meet in next part. Lastly, thank you for watching this video tutorial.